Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week we are going to be talking about why rebranding your PLR is so important. Now, rebranding your PLR is a process where you give your PLR product a brand new name and create new graphics for it so that everything in the package looks different from the original product. And there are several reasons why you should be doing this. And while the process is more work for you and may cost you a few extra dollars, it's really something you should be doing. And let's see why. First, it will allow you to stand out from the crowd. Most popular PLR sellers can sell anywhere from 100 to 500 or so copies of their PLR bundles. If you're one of the customers, you'll have the same PLR bundle as everyone else that bought it. So you should be having a moment of clarity now. All of those other PLR buyers are your competition, but they're only your competition if you're selling the same product as them. If you rebrand the PLR, you'll have a whole new product. It'll look totally different from all the rest. For example, giving a PLR ebook a new cover and title immediately makes it look like a brand new book. The content inside may be the same, but it looks different, and that's what matters. You can sell the same content with a different look. What matters is that you avoid looking like all the other sellers. Also, there is the danger of losing credibility. If you do not rebrand your PLR and you use the same title as the rest of the PLR buyers, you will not be able to establish yourself as an authority. For example, if you're trying to sell an ebook and a savvy visitor decides to do a Google search for the title of your ebook, guess what will show up? Several other people selling the same ebook will show up in the results. Many of them will be selling the same product for dirt cheap prices. How will you ever be able to compete without dropping your price and devaluing the product? It's impossible. To make matters worse, sometimes the original PLR vendor will show up in the search results, and your potential buyer might now end up buying the PLR and becoming your competitor instead. So rebranding helps establish credibility and allows you to charge your own prices without worrying about the competition. Also, by rebranding, you can get the best of both worlds. Some PLR vendors are excellent with their written content, but their graphics are not that great. Their strength is in their writing and the graphics are an afterthought. Rebranding your PLR will get you the best of both worlds. You'll have excellent content, and your new graphics will look better than what you received in the PLR bundle. By rebranding good content and making it better with excellent graphics, you'll be able to charge higher prices for your products. And finally, your opinions matter. You may also want to add your own personal opinions, research, and experiences into the content. While this is known as personalizing your content, in a way it's a form of rebranding too. The reader views you as an authority. That's why they bought from you. So your opinions and authority hold sway with them. Adding your personal touch to the PLR content will make your customer remember you. You'll also have extra income opportunities if you post affiliate links within the content. Since these are genuine recommendations from you, and the reader has already bought from you, they'll be much more likely to trust you and buy through you. By now, you're starting to realize the importance of rebranding your PLR and the opportunities you may miss out on if you don't rebrand your content. So make sure to spend your time making the content truly yours, and you'll be on a whole different level. Anyone can take a PLR product and sell it as is, and most PLR buyers do. But very few strive for the rewards that come with turning the PLR into a product that the market has never seen before. This makes selling your content much easier. Now, if you'd like to learn more about rebranding PLR, we do have a training that walks you through the steps to do this, and you can get it for free at impc.ws/PLR rebrand. Okay, that's it for today. Take care, and I will see you again next week.